I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making a stable sugar base so the blossom can expand without collapsing. Combine 2 cups sugar, 1/2 cup water, and 1 tablespoon corn syrup. Heat to soft crack, about 290 degrees 300 degrees F. Once it reaches temperature, cool slightly until it's still pliable but not runny. While it rests, position your silicone mat and a petal template. Prepare an area with minimal drafts. Now pull a small molten ribbon to test pliability before you commit to larger petals. This immediate check prevents wasted batches. Once your sugar is pliable, start forming thin petals by pulling and folding a small ribbon, then spread it over the template to shape. To make the blossom bigger, layer multiple ultra-thin petals rather than one thick piece. That adds volume without extra mass that sags. Make sure to dust with a touch of cornstarch between layers to stop sticking, and allow short cooling pauses so each layer firms slightly. While working, rotate the bloom to keep edges even and symmetrical. For the final steps, position the assembled blossom on a pedestal so air circulates under petals, and let it set 30–60 minutes in a dry room at about 20–25 degrees C. This prevents sagging. Once set, you can use a brief burst of warm air from a hairdryer on low to soften edges for subtle reshaping. If petals collapse or crack, reheat only the affected area briefly and restretch. Do not remelt the whole piece. One troubleshooting tip: if humidity warps the bloom, move it to drier conditions and absorb moisture with silica packets nearby.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.